In this question, it is saying find the total surface area and the volume of the solid cylinder with conical ends as shown. So over here, there are two same cones in this figure. तो जब आप surface area calculate करेंगे तो आप एक कोन का कर्व्ड पार्ट निकालेंगे और उसको मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 कर देंगे तो आपके पास दोनों का कर्व्ड पार्ट आ जाएगा. ठीक है. So the total surface area consists of two things here. In part 1, the total surface area consists of two things. Number 1, the cone, which will come two times the curved surface area of cone plus the curved part of cylinder. So the curved part of cone is calculated by the formula pi r l. Curved part हमेशा pi r l से calculate होता है. Plus the curved part of cylinder is calculated by 2 pi r h. So in place of pi you can write 3.142. In place of r you will write 4 because 8 meter is the diameter. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर 8 मीटर डायमीटर है तो उसका हाफ 4 हो जाएगा. मल्टीप्लाई बाय एल. नाउ व्हाट इज़ एल? एल इज़ द स्लांट हाइट. कौन में दो तरह की हाइट्स होती हैं, वर्टिकल एंड स्लांट. सो 6 इज़ द स्लांट हाइट. सो यू आर गोइंग टू यूज़ द स्लांट हाइट 6 over here, right? Plus 2 times 3.142 multiply by 4 multiply by the height of the cylinder, which is 8. Now when you calculate this will be 2 4s are 8, 8 6 are 48. So 48 multiply by 3.142 150.816 150.816 plus 2 4s are 8, 8 8s are 64, 64 times 3.142. So this gives 201.088. So when you add both of them, 150.816 plus 201.088, altogether this becomes 351.904. 351.904 meter square. Surface area is always calculated in terms of meter square and volume is calculated in terms of cube. Now in part 2 you have to find out the volume of the solid cylinder. So the volume will be calculated by adding both 2 times the volume of cone plus the volume of cylinder. So volume of cone will be 1 upon 3 pi r square h. So 1 upon 3 multiply by 3.142 multiply by 4 square multiply by h plus the cylindrical part will be pi r square h. So 3.142 multiply by 4 square multiply by 8. Now over here when you solve it, this is going to be 33.5 multiply by h, so 33.5 h plus 402.176. Now in place of h we need to input the height of cone. So height of cone is not given in the question. This vertical height is not given in the question. Now if you observe, this is a right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle in which this is height, this is the this is the slant height, which is 6, and this is the radius, which is 4. So when you apply Pythagoras theorem, you can find out the height. So height will be, as we know that h square is equals to b square plus p square. So using this formula, h will be equals to under root 6 square minus 4 square. So this will be 36 minus 16. So 36 minus 16 will be under root 20. So height is under root 20. So either you can input directly under root 20 here, root 20 plus 402.176, or you can find out how much is root 20. This is 4.5. So you can input 4.5 also here. So when you calculate this, this will be 33.5 multiplied by root 20 plus 402.176, 552 meter cube is the collective volume of this container.